Hello mga kamoods! So today I am really excited because this is my first time mga kamoods that I will do a travel vlog because later on this morning I'm gonna be going to Boracay. So actually I will be there for almost 5 days because it's part of me having some relaxation, but at the same time celebrating my birthday. But what would be the best thing to do is that I want also to celebrate my experiences. So once that I go there, so at least you would be able to feel and also experience the place kahit na hindi pa kayo nakakapunta doon, because one of the things that I want to do is on my special day, syempre, dapat kasama ko kayo. And so that every wonderful memories I have on Boracay, definitely mai-share ko sa inyo. So I hope that you would watch me, support the channel, and subscribe. So later on, magkikita-kita tayo sa airport. Okay? So see you there mga kamoods! Ito. 5J911. Nawala na naman. Nakuha mo? Oo. Okay. So mga kamoods, we're about to board the plane going to Caticlan. Okay, and then you can see, let's see, and samahan nyo kami inside. So we're about to board na mga kamoods. Let's go! Yes, mga kamoods, na jet lag ako because at this time usually nag-traffic pa ako sa Las Piñas. No, walang traffic. It just took us like 45 minutes to get here to one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Boracay. So let's see later on when we go. Okay. Hello mga kamoods. So we just arrived here in Caticlan Airport and we're about to go inside para makuha natin yung baggage natin. And that's the plane where we came from, which is Cebu Pacific. Yan. So the weather is so good. Ang sarap pumunta on the beach. And I hope samahan nyo kami para makita nyo where we are going to stay on our first day here. But welcome to Boracay! So let's go inside. Napunta sa arrivals para makuha ko na yung aking baggage, no? And then we'll go to the jetty port para makita nyo kung ano yung Boracay iPass na ginamit namin para makita nyo kung paano kadali, napakadaling magbayad ng mga fees. So let's go. O di ba nahuli ng mata? Going to do do-it-yourself transfer papunta dun sa hotel that we are going to stay. So we did not hire anything there. So ang gagawin natin, lalabas tayo from the airport and meron ditong tricycle station. So dito usually 150 pesos, good for 2 persons, para makapunta tayo dun sa jetty port. And then from there, I'll teach you on how we're gonna be able to pay for everything. Yeah. Dalawa lang kami. Thank you. Thank you. So, we just pay 150 pesos. Good for 2 persons. Isang ride na ng tricycle yon. So, we're just gonna be going here. And then, from there, pupunta na tayo papunta ng jetty port. And then later on, we'll see each other. Tingnan natin kung ano yung madadaanan natin dito scenery papunta doon sa jetty port. Okay? Sabi nilang traffic. So akala ko sa Manila lang may traffic. Even here pala, meron din. Actually nga guys, medyo nahihilo ako kasi na-jet lag ako. Na-jet lag ako guys. So I think nag-a-adjust yung katawan ko kasi usually ganitong oras, traffic papauwi ng bahay. Dito. Okay, nandito na tayo guys sa Jetty Port. Now, turuan ko kayo kung paano kayo makakapag-register na hindi kayo nahihirapan. And everything has been paid for kasi we do it online and it's through Boracay iPass. So pupunta tayo dito kasi sila yung mag-a-assist sa atin for everything kasi we have paid everything. I-assist na lang nila tayo hanggang makapasok tayo dun sa sasakay natin na boat. So let's go! Yes, pakita ko lang yung aking QR code ng binayaran ko. So ito siya guys, may sarili siyang kiosk pero pwede mo na siyang bayaran online kasi ako ay paid it through GCash eh. So meron naman siyang QR code na sinisend sa email. Ito code natin. Dalawa kasi to eh.
Dalawa po sila, sir.
Dalawa
Pwede
kami.
pahiramin niyo yung dalawa ID po.
Oh, ID daw. Kailangan ng ID. Baka daw kasi mamaya iba yung So mga kamoods, we are already riding a trike. Pero ito special trip to, no? So, we're going to Station 3 sa Grand Blue Beach Hotel. And we were charged 200 pesos daw para dun kasi paksyaman daw tong trike natin. So, yeah. And then, what will happen is, pag nandun na tayo, I'll give you a room tour kung ano yung itsura ng pag-i-stayan natin. And then, let's see kung friendly ba yung mga staff doon, maganda ba yung lugar. But, the place kasi, that's why I got that, kasi it's a beachfront. Kasi gusto ko yung paglalabas ko na lang, tatakbo na lang ako. Sabihin ko, habulin mo ako, gano'n. So, I'll see you later on, pag nandun na tayo doon sa mismo hotel na pag-i-stayan natin. Okay? Bye! Ano tayo? 101A, no? Ah, okay. Sa may dulo ako. Oh, going upstairs. We're gonna go upstairs. Inside pala. Morning, morning. Oh my god, it's kind of big. Okay, it's like going around. Oh, I love it. There's a veranda.
Perfect.
It's like you can lounge.
Here or no? Is it allowed? Is it allowed to smoke here?
Two there, oh. So now we are here in Station 3 and gutom na gutom kami guys. So, alam niyo dito sa Boracay, hindi naman ibig sabihin pag Boracay is kailangan gumastos ng madami, no? Or malaki. Kasi merong places dito na you can eat good food but at the same time, makakatipid kayo. Like this one, yung in-order namin. We are currently here in Andox. So, naka-order kami ng sinigang and then one piece dukito na fried chicken and then liempo. And then we even have like the achara and the Pepsi. And we only paid for a total of 527 pesos. So, imagine niyo yun. Ang dami na nito, 527 pesos. And imagine, you are here in Boracay, ha? Sa beachfront ng Boracay. Diba?
Tingnan dito. Wala ba talaga, ma'ams?
Unang
Wala ako tignan.
Ano?
Wala ka.
Hindi mo.
Hindi na ako pang nightlife.
Hindi ka nagtay.
Ako rito na. Pang chill life na lang ako.
Bakit? Chill lang kasi dapat yung margarita. Bakit mo yung straight?
Kasi nga namilayang ako sa iyo natutunaw. Nakagawa mo ba yan?
Tangina. Asa ka lang kagawa ganyan?
Ano?